Okay, let's work on section 6.3 homework. So question number 1. The mean starting salary for nurses is 67,694. Let me write down 67,694. Okay? And standard deviation 10,333. Standard deviation 10,333. Okay. Round the probabilities to 4 decimal places. Okay. It is possible with rounding for a probability to be to have 4 decimal places. All right. So what is question number 1? What is our random variable? The random variable is a starting salary of randomly selected nurse. Here it is. Next, find the probability that randomly selected nurse has a starting salary of 64,503.4. Let me see, 64503.4. This is X. We need to find probability for X is equal 64,503.4. So I'm going to use online z-score calculator so to make your life easy, and I'll show you in a minute. So first of all, to get the probability, we need to get z-score, right? Without z-score, we will never get access to probability. So let's find the z-score first. We know that z-score is equal x minus mu divided by sigma. Hence, in our case, z-score is going to be our x is 64,503.4 minus mu 67,694 and divided by sigma 10,333. Okay? Let's do it. Here it is. Z-score calculator. I'm going to place the link to this calculator under the video, okay? So first let's find our z-score. X was how much? Our X is 64,503 and 4. 64,503 and 4. Population mean is 67,694. 67,694, and standard deviation was 10,333. So let's find z-score. So I'm copying this z-score. Okay. And going to plug into this calculator, z-score here, I'm going to plug in. And I'm going to get, let me see, this equal sign needs to be gone. Clicking calculate. Okay, so which one is my answer? Let's look back to our homework. It says find the probability that randomly selected nurse has a started salary of $64,503.4 or more. Every time we have more, we are using here more, x greater than z, more. So it's going to be 0.62126. Or if you are taking the less than, because the table usually gives us less than, you do 1 minus 0.37874, and you will get 0.62126. Since you are going to use this calculator I found for you, it always will be easy to read carefully. If it's implying less or equal, then you use probability x is less than z-score. If it's implying this much or more, then you are using x is greater than z. So here we have 0.62. This is going to be our answer. So 62.13%. Let's place the answer here. Okay, let me open it. Bingo. 6213, 4 digits. Next, find the probability that randomly selected nurse has a starting salary $65,722 or less. See, now this time we are doing the less. That's mean in this case I will take less than z score, right? So let me copy this number. I'm coming to this quick. This is our x. Let me. The mu, population mean and standard deviation is the same. It's just testing different the score of x. So how much is our z-score? Negative 0.19084. And from z-score, we are moving to get our probability. So in this case, I'm going to take 0.42433 because it's asking for less, right? Here, if you read the question, dollars or less. So this is going to be our answer. There we go. I'm not rounding, so I'm just copy pasting to save time, but you pay attention, round till 4 decimals. Next one, we need to find salary probability that randomly selected nurse has starting salary between this much and this much. Okay, let me explain what in this case we have. Let's say between x1 and x2. First salary x1, second salary x2. So I need to find probability for x1, and then I need to find probability for x2. And then if I take probability of x2, do minus probability of x1, I will get the result, which is going to be this area. Okay, between x1 and x2. Let's go to work. So, site is not responding. Why it's not responding? So let's get the first one, copy, find the probability of first one, and it's a value of x, because mu and the standard deviation is not changing, it's the same. So what do we have here? Calculating z-score, it's gonna be, didn't we do this one? I think we did, but anyway, instead of checking, I might as well just copy. Okay, posting here. And it's supposed to be negative. Okay, and the probability here is going to be, so I need to take less than, right? So x1 to the left, 0.37873. Let me copy here. Well, it doesn't copy. That's quite all right. I'll just write down 37873. So 37873. This is probability of x1. 0 point. Okay. 37873. Okay, next one. Next we need to find probability for this number. Did we use this decimal notation for the first number? Let's see. We'll check it. No, we didn't. Okay. Let me correct my mistake. 0.4. Okay. 0.30878. Let me see if I have here. No. So negative 30878. Negative 308. It's gonna be 78. For 37874. 37874. Okay. 37874. Okay, this is the first one. Now moving to second case. I already copied. Let me paste it too, and also 0.4 here. Let's find probability. Here is z-score. This is our z-score. Copy. Find the probability. Okay. And we are getting, since we need to take x is less than, so it's going to be 0.42434. 42434, 0.42434. So let's subtract. I'm going to subtract from here this number from this number. So 4 minus 4 is 0, 13 minus 7 is 6, here is 3, 13 minus 8 is 5, 11 minus 7 is 4, here is 0, 0.04560. Remember, we needed to subtract. This is my x1 probability. This is probability for x2. So I did this x2 minus x1 backwards, so not to rewrite. 0.04560. So 0.04560. Let's open it. Okay, correct. So next one, at most. So find the probability at most, which means at most either this amount or less. So the same way you are going to do calculation. So let's copy this. Okay, doesn't copy decimal. I'll add it. So paste 0.5. It's going to be negative 2.5. Okay, that's easy number. .5. And let's go probability. Since it's less than, this is going to be our probability 0.006 and blah blah blah. Let's place it here. And that's exactly what we got. Next. So what do we have next? If a starting salary of $41,861.5, unusually low for random selected nurse, is starting salary unusually low? Why or why not? Yes, it is unusually low because probability of having a value of starting salary at the most, that value is less or equal 0.05. I believe this one. I don't like when hundred of type of answer is very confusing. Um, greater, I think this one. At most, here it is. Let's check. It is correct. Okay. Okay. Next. What starting salary do 59% of all nurses have more than? So more than, which means we need to take 59%. Let me see where we can find. Oh, it was here. Yeah. Since we need to know if it's more than 59%, that's mean we need to subtract from 1. It's going to be 41%, right? 1 meaning 100%. It's going to be 41%, right? It was 59. Yeah, 100 minus 50 is 50, minus 9, 41%. So every time when we have more than, we need to subtract from 100%. So it's going to be 41% here, 0.41, and our z-score calculation is going to be negative 0 point, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So, and we need to find the value of x. So this one we need to do our calculation. Okay, we don't have here x. No, this one we need to do calculation. Okay, not a big deal. So let's read one more time carefully. What starting salary are going to have nurses that get more than 59%? So we took 41, right? We found z-score, and now let's see how we're going to calculate. If our z-score is equal x minus mu over sigma, then from here, salary, it's value of x. From here, it's going to be equal, x is going to be equal z times sigma plus mu. So we found z-score is, how much was it? We'll find out. Negative 2.5, okay. So negative 2.5 times, how much was our sigma? I need to open it. 10,333, right? Where is our beginning? Yeah, 10,333 times 10,333, and then plus, how much was our mu? I thought we had here. Here it is. This is our mu. Average 67,694. And plus this. And we are getting, so let's see, 2.5 times 10,333, and then add 6 7694, and we are getting 93,526.5. Let's go to our problem. Write down. Okay, 93,526.5. Oops. 0.5, and the unit is gonna be dollars, right? Because we're measuring in dollars. Okay, let's submit questions. Wait a minute. Okay. G doesn't accept calculation. Who can survive? 2, 1, 3. Okay, let's round it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I guess this one we will take away. Anything else? Okay, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be this. This one. Let me see what is the answer. Yeah, this is completely different answer. We need to solve it again. I don't know what silly mistake somewhere we did. So let's do one more time. It's not a big deal. So since we have 59% and we need more than, so we are doing 100% minus 59% will be 41%, and we are working with 41%. We need to find starting salary, which means we are going to do, I already wrote down, from this formula we are getting this. So we have sigma, we have mu, we need to get z-score. Z-score I'm going to get from the probability, right? Which is 41%. Let's do it. Where is it? Yeah, we need to get 41%. This one is going to be less than, hold on. Which is going to be 0.41. Since I already subtracted, I'm taking x is less than z. Or I can put 0.59 more than, yeah? Because it's asking for more. So, okay, we put 0.59. It's not a big deal because its x is greater than. And we click calculate. So, since we place for more than, our probability gonna be 0.59 probability. 0.59 for our, oh no, I'm sorry, we don't need probability. 59, we have it. We need this z-score, negative 0.228. All right? See? It's wrong. So negative 0.228. Let's do the math. So 0.228 times 10,333. So we are getting negative 2,003. Oops. Negative 2,355.924, and then plus this 67694. In this case, I'm going to subtract because it's negative. I'm getting negative number. 67694, and I'm getting 65. Why am I getting negative? Of course, it's positive 65,338. I think we got the answer, yeah? Yeah, but it's just 342. I have 338. Well, if somebody get close enough number but not precise, just contact me. I will give credit because this very much the case, this question sometimes has difference between answers. So we got close enough, but 42, the 653 42 doesn't match 653 38. So if you get such situation, just contact me and I will correct it. Oh, this one also was wrong, or I touched it and moved the answer somehow. Let me see. Oh no, I never choose no. It's supposed to be yes. The value at least, no, it's the most. Has to be yes in probability that the value starting at most. Okay, that the most, that value is less than or equal. Yes, this one. Okay, let's check one more time. Correct, correct. This one, well, we know that what is the difference. Okay, let's see if this is the same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing. So it's, here is asking find the probability. Selected Atlantic coast has a length of 4578 or more. So you need to find the probability and then subtract from 1. Let me see if we have, yeah, it's the same question. And then less, and then between, and then at least. Yeah, those are same questions, so you can repeat it. Go back and repeat. So, and moving to question number 3. Okay. So what do we have? A dishwasher has a mean lifetime 12 years with estimated standard deviation 1.25 years. Assume the lifetime of dishwasher is normally distributed. It is the possible rounded. Okay, state the random variable. What do we have? Our x is lifetime of randomly selected dishwasher. Okay, here it is. Next, find the probability that the randomly selected dishwasher lifetime is more than, less than. Okay, it's the same thing all over again. Okay, so you can do it. Open the recording and go over, and this is also the same. What is gonna be the random variable here? It's gonna be the fat consumption of a randomly selected male in the US between ages 40 and 41. Here it is, because in the United States, male between ages 40-41 eat an average 103 gram of fat every day with the standard deviation, blah, blah, blah. So this is going to be our random variable. And then let me see. Yeah, it's all the same. We already did. If you, by any chance, face any trouble, yeah, it's the same. If by any chance you face any trouble with any sub-paragraph or any question, just contact me. I will help you to go through. All right, moving to next homework.